Python.
Everyone, so today I'm going to be going over the first practice problem for Python on my coding website. So the prompt says to create a calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division, and exponents on two whole numbers. The calculator should print out which operator it performs, the numbers it used, and the answer. Your program should have an if statement. Name the file calculator.py. So I'm going to go ahead and make my calculator.py file, calculator.py. And so when I read that prompt, I realized that we need three variables that the user inputs. So the first one, it's going to be operator. I'm going to just call it operator equals input. Enter the operation you would like to perform, and then I'll put plus, minus, divide, multiply, exponent, and then mod here, and then I'll add colon and a space at the end there. So there's that. So int1, I'll put that as the first number, equals int. We need to convert this to an integer. Input, enter the first number, and then int2 equals int input, enter the second number. So when I run this here, it's going to ask me for operator. I'll just say plus for now, 5, and then 7. I forgot something on here. That's fine, just fix it. So that's good. It's getting our input. So now we need to actually write the if statement. So first I'm going to do if operator equals plus, and we're going to add the numbers. So I'm going to put my colon and then my code indented down here. So I'm going to print the string of int1 plus, and then space plus space, just to make it look better. A string of int2, and then plus, I need space again, is, and then now I'm going to actually add the numbers. These pluses were just concatenation. Is string num1 or int1 plus int2. Okay, so this should be good. I figured out a plus there. That's fine. Yep, that's good. And I'm actually just going to copy this here. It'll just help me code easier. So if operator equals minus, then I'm going to paste this, and then so I'm going to change this right here to a minus since this is under the minus here, and then I'll change this to a minus. So now I'm going to do division. If operator equals this slash, then print int1. I'm gonna get rid of the spaces for here just because it'll look better. There, that should be good. If operator equals the asterisk, this is for times. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna change this to asterisk, and then this again to if operator equals this is modular division. I don't need the space there. Okay, and then copy it again, and then put the mod sign there, and then the mod sign here. If you remember modulus division, it just gives you the remainder when the two are divided. And then if operator equals two asterisks, then just do this. I'm just gonna use this caret here for to the power of, and I'm gonna get rid of the spaces. But the caret doesn't. It usually represents exponents, but in Python it doesn't. So I'm just gonna do times here. And then, oh wait, I just realized I need to put elif here instead of if. So just fix that real quick. elif, and then if we did all the operators we have up here. So if I were to run this, let's just say I want to add 5, 6, or 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Now let's try it again. But let's say I put something that I shouldn't put in here, so let's say 7. And then I'll say 4 and 2 for the numbers. See, nothing really happens because 7 is not an operator here. So we're going to put an else at the end of this if statement here. So else, and then just print the operator you entered is not valid. So now if I run this, I put 7 in like I did last time and put some numbers in it, it just tells me the operator is not valid because 7 is not equal to any of these that I put in. So that was a calculator.